Hi guys, welcome back to another video here with me at the Aspiring Home Cook. Today's video is going to be a quick one where we're going to make some homemade instant mawa. This is used for a variety of Indian sweet recipes, and the traditional method is a really lengthy one. So this is sort of a cheats version we're using today. For this, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, 1/4 cup of milk. This is full fat dairy milk I'm using here, and 1 cup of full fat milk powder. I'm going to add my clarified butter or ghee to a pan on low heat at this stage, and I'm going to let this ghee melt down. Once the ghee has melted, I'm going to add in the milk, and we're going to let this just warm up lightly. You don't want a hot mixture, you just want it to be warm. You're going to do all of this on a medium heat. Once the mixture has warmed up, you can see a few ripples across the pan. You know that it's warm. You're going to now give that a little bit of a stir to make sure it's all mixed through, and add in the milk powder. Now gently and carefully stir that through thoroughly. At this point, it may feel like there's not enough moisture in the pan, but trust me, that's all you need. In seconds, you will find the consistency change. The milk powder starts to melt into that milk and ghee mixture, and you'll end up with a slightly thick paste. Now this changes consistency really fast, so make sure that you don't leave this unattended and you keep stirring at all times. Using the back of a spoon, I'm just breaking down any big lumps that might still be left behind, and I'm moving the mixture around so that it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pan. And you're going to just continue cooking this for maybe another minute or so till it has absorbed all of the moisture and it starts coming together. I can see that my mix is no longer sticking to the pan right now, and it's fairly crumbly like you can see here. This way I know that my mawa is ready. I'm just going to take it off the heat and place it into a little bowl to cool. At this stage, your mawa is ready and you can use it in any recipe that calls for it. I'm going to be making a super delicious mawa cake using this mawa. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you've got the notifications turned on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with family and friends you think might enjoy it. If you haven't done so already, before you leave, please subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.